Okay, this is 2011 Benz GLK 350. Has a misfire cylinder 3. Has 205,000 miles on original spark plugs. But what I did was I swapped cylinder 2 and 3 coils, and I figured out that this coil that was on cylinder 3 wasn't sparking. Doesn't look like anything's wrong with it, but I think that's bad. So I got this off of Amazon. Paid like $3 for overnight delivery, so it was 23 plus that, so around 26-ish dollars. So we'll see if that's any good. Hopefully that'll get rid of my misfire.